Tired of high electricity bills or power shortages? What if you could generate your own energy using wind or water with maximum efficiency? In today's video, we're covering the best permanent magnet generators, from compact home use models to powerful systems up to 100 kW. These generators offer low-speed performance, stable output, and long-term reliability. Watch till the end to find the perfect generator for your setup. Let's get started. Number 1. Generic 10 100 kW PM generator. The 10 100 kW permanent magnet generator is a high-performance solution built for industrial and large-scale renewable energy applications. It operates efficiently at low speeds, making it ideal for wind turbines, water turbines, and motor-driven systems where steady rotation is essential. This design reduces dependency on high RPM and improves overall energy efficiency in real-world conditions. It supports both 220V and 380V three-phase AC output, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of industrial equipment and power systems. The permanent magnet technology enhances efficiency by reducing energy loss and providing stable, continuous output during operation. Its heavy-duty construction ensures long-term durability even in harsh environments, including outdoor renewable setups. Additionally, the generator requires minimal maintenance compared to traditional systems, saving both time and operational cost. Overall, this generator is perfect for users who require strong performance, efficiency, and reliability in demanding energy applications. Number 2. Poland 15 20 kW PM generator. The Poland 15 20 kW permanent magnet generator is a reliable and efficient power solution designed for wind and water-based energy systems. It operates effectively at low speeds, making it suitable for turbines where consistent motion is more important than high rotational speed. This ensures better performance in real-world renewable conditions. It supports multiple voltage options, including 48V and 220V, allowing flexibility for different system configurations. The three-phase design provides smooth and stable power output, which is essential for maintaining consistent energy supply over long periods. Its compact yet durable construction makes it suitable for medium-scale renewable projects and semi-industrial applications. It performs well even under varying environmental conditions, such as fluctuating wind speeds or water flow. Overall, this generator offers efficiency, stability, and flexibility, making it a dependable choice for users building or upgrading renewable energy systems. Number 3. Generic 3.5 5 kW PM generator. The 3.5 kW to 5 kW permanent magnet generator is a compact and efficient solution designed for home use and small-scale power generation. It supports 220V to 230V single-phase output, making it suitable for running household appliances and basic electrical systems without complications. This generator operates at low speeds, which makes it ideal for small wind turbines or water flow systems where high RPM is not available. Its brushless design reduces friction and wear, resulting in lower maintenance and longer operational lifespan. Despite its small size, it provides stable and reliable power output, which is important for consistent energy supply in homes or backup systems. The lightweight and compact design also makes installation easy and convenient for everyday users. Overall, this generator is a cost-effective, efficient, and practical solution for individuals looking for simple renewable energy options. Number 4. Generic 1 1.5 kW PM generator. The 1000W to 1500W permanent magnet generator is designed for small-scale renewable energy generation, especially for wind and hydro turbine systems. It supports multiple voltage options such as 12V, 24V, 48V, and 96V, providing flexibility for different setups and battery configurations. It operates efficiently at low speeds, making it suitable for environments where high rotational speed is not possible. The permanent magnet design improves energy conversion efficiency and ensures stable and consistent output performance over time. Its compact and lightweight structure makes it easy to install and ideal for DIY projects or portable energy solutions. The brushless construction reduces wear and increases durability, making it reliable for long-term use. Overall, this generator is a practical and affordable option for users who want a simple and efficient small-scale power generation system. Number 5. Generic 10 30 kW PM generator system. The 1030 kW permanent magnet generator system is a powerful and flexible solution designed for industrial and large-scale energy generation. It supports both 220V and 380V output, making it compatible with a wide range of equipment and renewable energy systems. This system is engineered for high efficiency and stable performance, even during continuous operation in demanding environments. The adjustable motor feature allows users to control and optimize power generation based on specific requirements. Its permanent magnet technology reduces energy loss and improves overall efficiency, while the robust construction ensures long-term durability and reliability. It is especially suitable for wind and hydro systems where consistent power output is essential. Overall, this generator system is ideal for users who need a high-capacity, efficient, and dependable solution for professional energy applications. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.